Hey guys, this here is Ben with TapRack Blog. Stop making expensive noise. Anytime that you go out to the range and shoot, you are learning, right? You're building muscle memory. With every single shot that you send down range, you're building muscle memory. And if you're just going out there making expensive noise, right? And you're just like, well, it's fine. I'll, do this any way that I want to. Even though, some of you know the proper way to do this stuff, but sometimes you just want to go out and have fun, right? I get that. I like fun. But when you send rounds downrange and you do so in an improper manner, you're eroding at the proper muscle memory that you've already built up. Stop doing it, especially if you want to be good at shooting. You can lose your skill set by eroding it with improper shots. So be sure that when you go out there and practice, that you're actually practicing, right? Because you're either getting better or worse with every round that you send down range, and make sure that you're always improving. Unless all of your bullets are going in the exact same hole, you have room to get better. So make sure that you're getting better with every shot. This has been with TapRack Blog. Thank you guys for watching. I'll post something else for you soon.